Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of B. N. Amasai High School. We will continue with our chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Third part of question number 11. The size of the floor of Jagdish Bhai's kitchen is 300 cm into 200 cm. If he wants to lay the floor with tiles, how many square tiles of 20 cm will be needed? Students, here what is given in the question is that कि जगदीश भाई का किचन का जो फ्लोर है उसका मेजरमेंट है 300 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 200 सेंटीमीटर. अगर उसको फ्लोर पे टाइल्स लगानी है और टाइल्स का जो मेजर है वो स्क्वायर टाइल्स है और उसका मेजर है 20 सेंटीमीटर. एज यू नो इट्स अ स्क्वायर टाइल्स, सो द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ बोथ will be 20 centimeter. We have to find out number of tiles needed. Solution for sum number 3. Size of the kitchen floor is equals to 300 centimeter into 200 centimeter as it is given in the question. Size of the floor tiles is equals to 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter as I have explained you earlier, as it is the square tiles. So all the four sides of the square are equal. So the size of the floor tile is 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Now we have to find out the number of square tiles. To find out the number of square tiles, size of the kitchen floor divide by size of the floor tiles. We have to divide size of the kitchen floor with size of the floor tiles. Size of the kitchen is 300 into 200 and size of the floor tiles is 20 into 20. First we will cut this 0 from above and below the line, and then this 0 also from above and below the line. Then 2 1s is 2, 2 1s is 2. Now here 300 divided by 2 is remaining. By dividing 300 by 2 we will get 150. Therefore number of square tiles is equals to 150. Fourth part of question number 11. There are 3 barrels having diesels of 24 liters, 36 liters and 48 liters. Find the containers of the highest measurement that can fill the diesel of all the 3 barrels in whole numbers. Students, here what is given in the question is that there are 3 barrels. One barrel has 24 liters of diesel, second has 36 liters of diesel and third has 48 liters of diesel. We want to find out the container of the highest measure that can fill the diesel of all the 3 barrels in whole numbers. Solution for fourth part of question number 11. Capacity of the first barrel equals to 24 liter. Capacity of the second barrel equals to 36 liters and capacity of the third barrel equals to 48 liters. It is given in the question. We have to find out the containers that can fill highest measurement. To find out the container which can fill the highest measurement, we will find out first the factors of 24, 36 and 48. So factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24 and 12 2s are also 24. Now factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 1 36 are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36 and 6 6 are 36. Now factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 12, 16, 24 and 48. 1 48s are 48, 2 24s are 48, 3 16s are 48, 4 12s are 48 and 6 8s are 48. Now here to find out the container which can fill the highest of measurement, we will find out the highest common factor of 24, 36, 48. See here 1 is the common factor in all the 3 numbers, 2 is also the common factor, 3 is also the common factor, 4 is also the common factor, then 12 is also the common factor. We want the highest common factor. So सबसे बड़ा जो common factor है 24, 36 और 48 का वो है 12. So 12 liters of diesel can be filled in all the barrels. Fifth part of question number 11. Beena, Leena, Seema live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is 20 feet. They decide to tile the path up to the road. They all bought tiles of different sizes. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, then find the size of the tiles each bought. Students, here what is given in the question is that Beena, Leena, Seema एक दूसरे के आसपास रहते हैं, जो डिस्टेंस है उसके घर से रोड तक का वो है 20 फीट। वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि डिफरेंट साइजेस ऑफ टाइल्स जो है वो पाथ पे लगाएंगे विदाउट कटिंग एनी ऑफ द टाइल्स। वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द साइज ऑफ टाइल्स ईच बॉट। सी बीना, लीना एंड सीमा, all the three girls bought different sizes of tiles and the distance between the house to the road is same for all the three girls, that is 20 feet. Now we have to find out the size of the tiles each girl buys. Now solution for fifth part of question number 11. Here students, it is given in the question is that Beena, Leena and Seema live near each other and the distance from their house to their road is 20 feet. Means this much distance is 20 feet. This much distance is also 20 feet. And the distance from Seema's house to road is also 20 feet. Now they all thought to tile this path. उन सब ने सोचा कि ये जो पाथ है, रास्ता है उनके घर से रोड तक का, उस पर टाइल्स फिक्स करनी है। और जो तीनों गर्ल्स हैं वो डिफरेंट साइजेस की टाइल्स परचेज करती हैं। आपको फाइंड आउट करना है टाइल्स का मेजरमेंट। So students, the distance from their house to the road is 20 feet. It is given in the question. Now first we will find out the factors of 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So the possible size of the tiles are 1 foot into 1 foot, as 1 is also the factor of 20. 2 feet into 2 feet, as 2 is also a factor of 20. 4 feet into 4 feet, as 4 is also a factor of 20. 5 feet into 5 feet, as 5 is also a factor of 20. आप कोई भी साइज़ की टाइल्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं जो जिसका मेजरमेंट वो होना चाहिए जो 20 का फैक्टर है। So students, we can say that Beena suppose buys the tiles measuring 1 foot into 1 foot, and Leena suppose buys the tiles measuring 2 feet into 2 feet, and Seema buys the tiles measuring 4 feet into 4 feet. Test yourself, choose the correct alternative for each question and write down correct option in the box. First one, which of the following is not a multiple of 18? यहाँ पर आपको जो multiple 18 के नहीं है वो find out करने हैं। Here first option is 18. 18 is a multiple of 18 as 18 ones is 18. 35 is not a multiple of 18 as it's an even number, and 35 is an odd number. Even number की table में odd number कभी भी नहीं आएगा. So the answer is option B. So in the box we will write B. Second, which of the following is a factor of 75? Now students, we will first find out the factors of 75. Here the factors of 75 are 1, 75 is 75. In 2's table 75 will not come. 3, 25 is 75. And in 4's table 75 will not come. 5, 15 is 75. So here the option given is 6, 4, 8 and 5. So here we can say that option D is the right answer, as 5 is a factor of 75. So here we will write option D. Third one, the common factor of 16 and 12. We have to find out the common factor of 16 and 12. Here students, you can see in option A 6 is given. In 6 table 16 will not come and 12 will come. आपको जो कॉमन फैक्टर है, जो दोनों में फैक्टर्स हैं, उसको फाइंड आउट करना है। 6 जो है वो 12 का फैक्टर है, 16 का नहीं है। 4 इज़ अ कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 16 एंड 12. 4 जो है वो 16 का भी फैक्टर है और 12 का भी फैक्टर है. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. सो हियर वी विल राइट ऑप्शन बी. फोर्थ वन, द कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 एंड 5. आपको ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो 4 का भी मल्टीपल है और 5 का भी मल्टीपल है. हियर द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. एज in 4's table is also 20 will come and 5's table also 20 will come. So I will write answer here option A. Fifth one, the smallest common multiple of 3 and 4. Here we have to find out the smallest common multiple of 3 and 4. For that we will first write down the multiples of 3. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. And the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So here you can see the smallest multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So the answer is option C. Here we will write C. Now let's do homework. Question number 1. Encircle the number whose multiple is 60. Students, here few numbers are given. We have to find out whether in these numbers table 60 will come or not. आपको यहाँ पे जो नंबर्स दिए हैं उसके टेबल में 60 आता है तो आपको उस नंबर को सर्कल करना है. Here the very first number is 25. 25 one side is 25, 25 two side is 50, 25 three side is 75. So in 25's table 60 will not come. 15 four side is 60, so we will circle this number. 5 12 side is also 60, so we will circle this number. 4 15 side is 60, so we will circle this number. 3 20 side is 60, so we will circle this number also. 12 5 side is 60. In 14's table 60 will not come. In 16's table also 60 will not come. 6 10 is 60. 23 is also 60. 2 30 is 60. In 13's table 60 will not come as it is an odd number and 60 is an even number. In 8's table also 60 will not come as 8 7 is 56 and 8 8 is 64. 32 is 60. In 18's table also 60 will not come. In 17's table also 60 will not come. 10 6 is 60. In 24's table also 16 will not come. 50's table also 60 will not come as 15 ones are 15, 52's are 100. 60 will come in 60's table. 61 is 60. Now question number 2 of let's do homework. Color the pairs in which the second number is a multiple of the first number. Now here we have to find out the pairs in which the second number is a multiple of फर्स्ट नंबर. अगर आप फर्स्ट नंबर का मल्टीपल फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो सेकंड आता है कि नहीं ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर आता है तो वो पेयर्स में आपको कलर करना है. लाइक इन फोर्थ टेबल 26 विल नॉट कम, सो यू विल नॉट कलर इन दिस पेयर. इन 5 टेबल 60 विल कम एज 5 12 is 60. 5 की टेबल में 60 आता है, सो 60 जो है वो 5 का मल्टीपल है. सो आपको इन दोनों सर्कल पे कलर करना है आपकी चॉइस का. एंड इन 25 टेबल 150 विल कम एज 25 6 is 150, so विल कलर इन दिस सर्कल विथ योर चॉइस. 11 7 is 77, so this pair also you will color. 9 8 is 72. In 6 table 46 will not come. In 8 table 96 will come. 8 12 is 96. In 7th table 39 will not come, and in 12th table 84 will come as 12 7 is 84. Now जिसमें भी राइट टिक किया है उन सब पेयर्स में आप आपकी चॉइस का कलर फिल करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑफ लेट्स डू होमवर्क इज इन योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. क्वेश्चन 3 आपको खुद करना है. इसमें आप क्या करोगे, एनसर्कल द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2 विद ब्लू कलर एंड मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 विद ग्रीन कलर एंड मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 विद रेड कलर. हियर you will find out first the multiples of 2 and you will encircle it with blue color. Suppose 2 is the multiple of 2. आपको 2 के मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. जैसे 2 मल्टीपल है 2 का, सो आपको ब्लू कलर से इसको सर्कल करना है. फिर 4 भी मल्टीपल है 2 का, तो उसको भी आपको ब्लू कलर से एनसर्कल करना है. देन द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 विद ग्रीन कलर. जो भी 3 के मल्टीपल्स है उसको आप ग्रीन कलर से एनसर्कल करोगे. जैसे 3 जो है वो मल्टीपल है 3 का, आपको ग्रीन कलर से एनसर्कल करना है. 6 भी 3 का मल्टीपल है, आपको उसको भी ग्रीन कलर से एनसर्कल करना है. देन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 विथ रेड कलर. जो भी 6 के मल्टीपल्स है उसको आपको रेड कलर से एनसर्कल करना है. लाइक 6 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 6, so here in this way you will encircle it, and 12 is the multiple of 6, so you will encircle it with red color. Students, in this way you have to complete this question number 3. With this we end our chapter number 6. Thank you.